The MSC 907 is a sturdy and versatile embedded box IPC that MSI is proud to launch. It is made to fulfill the demanding needs of a variety of industries. The MSC 907 is perfect for applications in factory automation, transportation, digital science, and retail in addition to the chemical sector. WinGPT, our medical LLM leader, has been enhanced by Winning Health with the release of its 5th generation Intel Xeon Scalable processor-based WinGPT system. The method efficiently makes use of the processor's integrated accelerators, such as Intel Advanced Matrix Extensions Intel AMX, the CrowdStrike outage-independent cybersecurity firm. CrowdStrike launched a software upgrade that started affecting IT systems all across the world. The Realme S2 Watch, a standout wearable device. As smartwatches develop, the Realme Watch S2 attracts to a broad spectrum of customers with its inexpensive pricing and great feature set. The ColorFit Pulse 4 Noise proves its wearable hardware is user-friendly and high quality. The Noise ColorFit Pulse 4 is great for wrist-mounted smart devices, mobile connectivity, and health monitoring. Intel stealthily launched the 14001 series of 14th Gen Raptor Lake refresh processors. The chips lack Intel's current microarchitecture's efficiency cores and have just performance cores. Gaming laptops 16GB RAM have become increasingly popular since they combine affordability and performance. Random access memory, or RAM, is essential to the simple processing of many contemporary jobs and games. Reportedly preparing to launch a new flagship AI chip processor particularly for the Chinese market is major semiconductor and artificial intelligence manufacturer NVIDIA. Google has announced a large-scale Play Store cleanse with the goal of improving security and user experience. On August 31, 2024, an initiative to remove apps that don't satisfy the platform's increasing standards will be launched in just 6 weeks. The RTX 509OD is slated to launch in January 2025, 1 year after the 409OD, according to export-compliant modifications to the RTX 5090 are expected in the new card. For more such content, subscribe to our channel.